Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now today I'll be showing you how I make this delicious and refreshing salad. So guys, let's get started. So here I have some condiments and salt and pepper that I'll be using later on down in the video. I'll tell you more on that. I have some red and black olives, some cherry tomatoes, I have some baby cucumbers, I have some feta cheese, red onions. Over here I have some radishes and I have some lettuce. Now I'm gonna go ahead and chop up my lettuce. Of course you could use whatever lettuce you like. I'll be using this green leaf lettuce, but if you want you could use romaine lettuce, and if you want your salad to be on the heartier side you could go ahead and use some kale. Now I'm going to go ahead and slice my radish into thin pieces. Now guys, we don't want to have thick chunks of radish. We want them to be nice and thin so they could contrast the vegetable salad well. We don't want no thick pieces. We want nice thin pieces. Now I'm going to go ahead and slice my onion in thin pieces. Now guys, if you don't have red onion you could use white, but red onion is perfectly for this salad. Now I'm going to go ahead and slice my cucumber thinly. Here I'll be using some baby cucumber, but of course you could use regular cucumber. I personally don't like the seeds in the big cucumber, because if I was using that I would go ahead and de-seed, but these are perfect and I'm just going to go ahead and slice these thinly. Now I'm going to go ahead and layer these in my salad bowl. Now guys, if you want you could just layer your salad just like I'm doing here and leave it in your refrigerator until you're ready to serve before adding the dressing, because the dressing has a vinegar in it, which is an acid, so it will tend to wilt the salad. So if you're not ready to serve you could just prep this ahead and prep your salad dressing ahead and then just add it but just when you're ready to serve. But if not, you could just go ahead and just serve your salad just like this. Now I'm just going to go ahead and crumble up some feta cheese. So here I have a nice piece of feta cheese. I'm just going to cut these into some cubes and then crumble them on over it. This is optional, but it's not optional. The salad does need this feta cheese, guys. Or if you don't have feta cheese, just get you a nice crumbled cheese like cojita cheese or whatever you have. It does need some cheese, all right guys? Now this is what my salad bowl be looking like, and I'm going to go ahead and make a quick salad dressing. Now this salad dressing couldn't have been easier. So to this I'm just going to add some honey mustard, some white wine vinegar, some olive oil, some salt and pepper, and that's just about it guys. Super quick, simple and easy. Now you could opt for regular mustard if you don't like honey mustard, but the honey in the mustard offset that tanginess and just give you a nice creamy and zippy salad dressing. Now guys, you're gonna pour this over your salad. If you're ready to serve, I was ready to serve, so I pour this over my salad and give it a good toss. And let me tell you guys, this was so flavorful guys. Listen, you ought to dress your salad just like this, and I'm gonna give it a good toss. So guys, if you have reached this far in the video and you like what you see, give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more amazing recipe like this one, hit the subscription button, turn on the post notification bell that says all, so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. Now guys, this salad is ready to serve. I did had myself a big bowl. Now guys, let me know down in the comment section what you think about this recipe and if you would try it. Thank you guys for watching. and I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day and bye for now, guys.